In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a domain name with Squarespace. Getting your own domain is an exciting step that helps establish your online presence and gives your website a professional touch. Today we'll take things step by step, guiding you through the entire process to make it simple and straightforward. First things first, the journey begins by accessing Squarespace. If you already have an account, great. Head over to their website and click on Login. This will take you to the entry point where you can sign in. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one first. Just make sure you're logged in before we proceed to the next steps. Once you click Login, you'll see the option to continue with Google. Clicking on Continue with Google is a handy shortcut if you're already signed into your Google account, sparing you from remembering yet another password. It's a quick, streamlined way to get into your Squarespace dashboard. Now that you're inside, look for the Domain tab at the top of the page. This is where all domain management activities happen. It's like the central hub for overseeing any domain-related processes, whether you're purchasing a new one or managing existing domains. Once you've found it, click on it. This will guide you to the next step where we'll actually start the process of acquiring your new domain. Next, you'll want to click on Domains. This section is dedicated to helping you find and settle on the perfect domain name for your needs. It's essential to choose something memorable and reflective of your brand or individual identity. So, take a moment to think about the name you want. This is where your online adventure truly takes shape. Once you're in the domains area, click on Get a Domain. This is where your main activity will focus today. It's your shopping cart for online addresses. Clicking here will open a field where you can type in the domain you have in mind. Don't worry if your first choice isn't available. Squarespace will provide alternative suggestions that are very close to your original idea. Type in your preferred domain name and pay attention to the suggestions and variations offered. This process is streamlined to help you find something unique that's still available. Once you've decided on the domain that fits best, it's time for the final step. Checkout. With your domain name selected, go ahead and click on Checkout. The checkout process will involve entering payment information and confirming your purchase. Be sure to double check your details before proceeding to ensure everything is correct. And there you have it. With payment completed, congratulations, you now own your very own domain through Squarespace. Remember, buying a domain is just the beginning of your online journey, but it's a vital foundational step towards building something great. Thanks for joining today, and I hope this guide made the process much easier and more enjoyable for you.